unboxing video. Polini. It says on the outside. Is it really a Polini inside? There's a real simple way to tell. You have to listen for the piston pieces. Here we go. Ooh, it's quiet. Maybe this is just a fake Polini. No, there they are. Did we have to get 500 planes flying overhead at the same time? One more time, let's see if we can hear it tilting back the other way. Yep. There's the piston parts in there. Must be a good Polini. Okay, let's grab an unboxing tool. Where's the unboxing tool? Unboxing tool! Ah, just kidding. Okay. Unboxing tool. Oh. Schede Tecnica Informativa. What does this say? This says identificazione delle sostanze o delle sue imprese. I bet you there's a different language on here. Nope. Okay. There's arsenic in here. There's lead. There's stagno. It's upside down, I think. Doesn't help anyway. Here's another one. See what this is. It says it's stuck to the packaging bag. It's blue. It says Polini Avizio. The date is 7th of July. Order number OE 1928 2607 22. Thor 190 HF electric start clutch 940 asterisk 2235. Something with Sky Cur, I guess that's Sky Cruiser. There's phone number. Date, delivery note, South Rapids. It's not 122, that's my address. Okay. Works for me. Okay, that wasn't difficult. Unboxing tool. Ooh, that looks pretty. Wonder what color it's going to be. Is it the black one, or is it the gold one, or did they give me a different color? Looks like more and more black. What's this? Look. Okay, I'll get the camera and show you. Something was in there that's not in there anymore. So, this. I wonder what was in there. Ooh, it must have been this. Maybe? No, because there's no holes for the cables. Alright, well, this is the top of the box. So it looks like it's got a nice metal frame. So I'll lift up the metal frame. And just lift it out that direction. There we go. Lift it up. Got the box. There's a thingy thing in there. Okay. Down. Door. Oh, starting handle. Oh. Ooh, it's got the flash start. Got to figure out how those work. I don't never use them. The air filter box. Got one of them already. I still would like to know what they had in here. Transform me. I bet you that's some sweet message that I'm not going to be able to read. Got to get the unpackaging tool. Unboxing. Ooh, it's got a throttle with it. I didn't know it had a throttle with it. There it is. Fuel, Min, EU, 95 octane. Mixing ratio 2.5. Okay, well that's European. Okay, here's the throttle. Anybody want to buy a throttle? I don't think I'm going to use this one. It's got 3 buttons on it. I could even have a push to talk if I wanted one. There's no spark plug in it. Spark plug is down here. Just flopping around in the box. That was probably what was in that little plastic box. It's been run. What color is that spark plug? Let's see if we can get some focus on there. Looks like it's pretty good. I'd guess that the gapping is a little bit off because of the bouncing around in the box. And that's probably the box it was in right there. Was not a good idea, apparently. Battery! Energy safe battery. What kind of energy safe battery is this? 4 amp hours. Doesn't sound like a lot. 12 volts. It's your standard cheapo lead acid battery. Feels like it's heavy. Oh, and there's the juice for it. Okay, so it's got a box of liquid acid in there. And it's got an empty battery, which will probably just go on the shelf because I don't think I'm ever going to use a lead acid battery on a paramotor. It's just too heavy. Ooh, we got stickers, decals, Polini Thor. Wait a minute, don't they send like some cappuccino or espresso or something in here? Okay, let's get this stuff off of my motor frame. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, look, it's a belt tensioner tool. One of the worst ideas they ever came up with. Man, that was a stupid thing that they did there. I wish they had the motor done differently, but yeah, so now I know. It's a black crankcase. I like the orange crankcase, but gold, excuse me. But I'll take whatever runs and doesn't die all the time. All right. So it's basically mounted in this frame, in this shipping frame, like it's mounted in on the engine on this side. I'm mounted in the frame, in the paramotor frame 1, 2, and 3. But over here, it's also mounted. Spark plug cable. Thank you. It's also mounted onto the frame here, onto the shipping frame. So we got some spare stuff, spare parts. Okay, the Polini is on right side up. It looks kind of gnarly a little bit. So here is the starter relay, just hanging around in here. And it must be going to the battery, so we'll leave that there for a second. Okay, it's a normal Walbro of some kind carburetor. I assume it's a WB37. And it has a cap. Oh, I can't adjust it at all without breaking the seal. Okay, well, if it's set the way it's supposed to be set, it better run right. That's all I got to say. And the other screw here is an actual slotted screw down deep, and it may just, yeah, it's probably just covered up with the protector. So let me show this real close here. Here's the carburetor, and this is the way they protect the H screw from being tweaked by silly people like me. That's the electric start. And, the housing on mine would have fit that, but there's a gear inside, and I investigated buying all the parts to make it into an electric start, my previous one, but that didn't seem financially appropriate. It was more expensive to do that than just to buy the motor, or within probably $100. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to unscrew the screws, get the thing off, but before I do that, I need to go take my other frame the rest of the way apart, get the old engine off of that. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'll mount this thing on there. Got to do something different with this throttle. This is not my kind of throttle, but maybe the cable is better. Nope. So if you're looking at the screw in the middle, so I'm pumping the throttle right now. Now if I hold the throttle still about halfway and just move the cable around, you can see the throttle actually moving. The throttle, the butterfly, is being cranked up and down. I don't know why they do that. That's the diameter of the pull core, diameter of the core versus the diameter of the sheath. And the sheath is generally a little bit bigger. I think they do that to make it easier to pull, but it makes it not stay locked. Even with an off-grid throttle, that still isn't going to stay locked like that. Okay, I'm moving the handle. Anyway, that's about all the unboxing video I'm going to do right now. Looks pretty good. Let's see if it flies.